birthday to me! Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo! It's my birthday! Happy birthday to me! Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, sorry, Puck. It's my birthday. That could be for me.
Thank you.
Wahey!
Happy birthday, Bisou. Mwah.
Is that a birthday present for me? Wow! A drum!
But keep the noise down a bit, just until everyone else has had a chance to wake up for your birthday breakfast. Hello.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hello, Zinnia. Happy birthday, Zoo. Wow, thanks. It's beautiful. A doll. Oh, well, if you don't want it, Zoo. Hey, Zinnia, wait until you see what I got this morning. It's from my Uncle Ziggy! Uncle Ziggy lives in Africa. He's in charge of a safari park.
Well, time we were off.
Yes, we'll be late for Zinnia's ballet lesson, won't we, darling?
Point and flex and point and close.
Come along now.
There, pretty good.
Very loud.
Yup.
Can you hear that, dear?
A bit hard to miss, really.
What do you think it is?
Maybe we've been invaded by giant woodpeckers.
Silly.
Well, let's just hope they've gone by the time we go down for Zoo's birthday.
Zoo.
Yes, Mum?
It's about time we had some birthday cake. Why don't you go and ask Elzee to come round?
All right.
Zoo, leave the drum behind, eh? We wouldn't want it to get lost on the way.
All right.
We could hide it. Perhaps not.
Elsie's here, Dad.
Oh, hello there, Elzee.
I brought her around to show her my drum.
Oh,
Hmm?
oh, good.
Where's it gone? Aha! Found it!
Wow! Oh! Oh!
Sorry, Dad.
Oh, Zoo, you startled me.
Hey, Mum, brilliant cake. Roll up for Zoo's birthday cake extravaganza. Oh.
Oh, Zoo.
Sorry, Mum. Wait!
But we're going to sing Happy Birthday.
I know, and I want to join in. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2,
Come on, Zoo. The candles.
Here I go.
Hooray! Happy birthday, Zoo!
Now let's sing again.
Maybe after we've had some cake, Bizou. That drum of yours is quite loud.
Isn't it great, though? Happy birthday, Zoo.
What's going on?
Hey, Dad, you want to sleep, were you?
I was a bit, yes.
Well, as you're awake...
I'd quite like to have a bit more of a snooze, Sue. Perhaps you could go and play your drum somewhere else.
Oh, all right. Hey, Grandma. How would you like to hear some expert drumming?
Not just now, Sue.
Oh,
But perhaps you'd like to do some baking. We could make some chopped chip cookies.
no thanks, Grandma. I need to practice my drumming.
Yes, well, could you practice somewhere else, please, Zoo?
All right. I'll go and find Grandpa. Hey, Grandpa. Would you like to hear some really good drumming?
Oh, yes, I would.
Grandpa?
Pretty good drumming, Zoo. Perhaps I ought to join you.
Have you got a drum too?
Nope, I've got something better than that. Come along. Now, I know it's around here somewhere. Aha! My old bugle. Right. Let's make some music.
Sue!
I know it's your birthday, but
Put that trumpet of yours away.
Zoo? Mum says, can you keep the noise down, please? Grandpa?
Some people have no ear for music, do they?
Nana?
Hello, Zoo dear. Was that you making all that noise earlier on?
Yes, Uncle Ziggy sent me a drum, all the way from Africa. But no one seems to like me playing it.
Ah, I see. Well, let's see what we can do about that, eh?
it's gone very quiet all of a sudden.
Well, we did ask Sue to keep it down a bit.
I wonder where he's got to.
Maybe he's upstairs with Nana.
I'll get it, Nana.
Sue? We thought it had gone a bit quiet. You've stopped playing your drum, Sue.
No, I haven't.
Huh?
Nana told me that you don't need to make lots of noise when you're playing the drums. Sometimes it sounds lovely, just like this.
Come over here, Zoo dear.
position.
Ooh, very good. That's good, Zoo. And now the C scale. Don't worry. We all make a few mistakes when we're learning. Have another go. That was very good, Sue. Now, let's have a look at a new piece of music.
Yay! Bravo, Nana. That was lovely.
Thank you, Sue. You have a go now.
I'll never play as well as you do.
Of course you will. What are those notes?
A, E, D, B.
There you go. Now you just need to play them. Go on. Lovely. Now, I think that's enough for one day.
Already?
We'll have another lesson tomorrow.
I'm really looking forward to it. I love playing the piano. It's my favourite instrument.
Oh, I'm glad to hear it, dear. It's always been my favourite instrument, too.
See you later, Nana.
Bye.
What's that, Grandpa?
Zoo, great timing. Come and have a look at this.
Ooh. Grandpa, is that you?
That's me, when I was about your age.
It looks like me.
Yes, we do look alike. This was taken at one of our shows.
You played in a band?
Oh, yes. And your grandpa was an excellent trumpeter.
Oh, we did have fun.
Have you still got your trumpet?
I think so. It'll probably be somewhere in the garage.
Grandpa, can we go look for it?
I know it's around here somewhere. Where can it have got to? Where did I put that trumpet? Yeah, it's not here.
Huh? My basketball is.
Oh, you're much better at finding things than I am.
Oh, it's heavy.
My trumpet.
Wow. Can you play a tune for me, Grandpa?
Oh, I hope I can remember how.
Of course you can. Why are you pulling that funny face?
I'm filling up my cheeks with air. Trumpet playing takes a bit of puff.
Hey, that's brilliant, Grandpa. Can I have a go?
Of course. But it isn't that easy to begin with.
Don't worry, I saw how you did it. Oh, but I did exactly what you did.
Ah, yes, but to play the trumpet, you have to learn how to blow into it properly.
I thought I was.
Almost, but not quite. Come with me. Your turn, Zoo. Oh, that was too easy. We need a heavier ball.
How about my basketball?
Good idea.
Trumpet, here I come.
That's it. Now try blowing a little harder.
Yes!
Oh, well done, Zoo. So now, let's try it with the trumpet. Drop your shoulders. Just relax and blow very hard into it.
Yeah, I did it!
Oh, well done, Zoo. I think you've got the hang of it.
I love the trumpet. It's my favourite instrument.
Oh, I'm very happy to hear that. And now, I'm going to teach you a tune. Listen carefully.
Ooh.
Huh?
Can I join you?
I didn't know you had a guitar, Dad.
Well, I don't play very often these days.
Can I have a go?
Of course.
Wah-ba-ba-doo-be-da. Wah-ba-ba-biddy-fee-tee. Wah-ba-ba-da-da-da-bit. Wah-ba-ba-doo-be-da.
I'd better warn everyone we have a rocker in the family.
Wah-ba-ba-doo-be-da. Wah-ba-ba-biddy-fee-tee.
Let me show you. Hold the strings like this and strum.
I've done it.
Well done. You're a very good guitarist.
I love the guitar. It's my favourite instrument. Wah-ba-ba-biddy-fee-tee. Wah-ba-ba-doo-be-da. Wah-ba-ba-biddy-fee-tee.
Does our little rocker need some accompaniment?
Hey, what's that, Mum?
It's a tambourine, Bisou.
That makes a brilliant noise. I love the tambourine. It's my favourite instrument.
Really? But I thought it was the guitar.
And I thought it was the piano.
And I thought it was the trumpet.
Yes, but, I don't know which I like best now. I really like the trumpet, Grandpa. And the guitar. I love the tambourine, too. And I love playing the piano. Actually, I think I like them all. I know. I'm going to play them all at once. So then I don't have to choose. I've got my own band. The Zoo one-man band. Wah-ba-da-ba-bee-ba-ba-ba-boo.
Bisou! I'm not sure this is such a great idea.
playing.
Let's not remind Zoo about his drum. That might end up being his favourite instrument as well.
What did you say, Mum?
Nothing, Bizoo. Nothing at all.
OK, Mum. Wub-bub-bub-ba-doop-beep-bum.
Oh, it sounds like you're having a party in here.
No, not me.
You don't think they've brought an elephant downstairs, do you?
Nothing can withstand the might of the stripy monster from the planet Gog!
Zoo? Bizoo?
It's not Zoo. I'm the mighty monster from the planet Gog.
Well, could you ask him to be a bit quieter? We can't hear ourselves think in the rest of the house.
Rah! Rah!
That was the mum monster, telling you to pipe down. And this room could do with a serious tidy.
Monsters like making a mess.
Bizoo, tidy up time.
Come on, Pock. We're leaving. Dad!
Ah, Sue, that was quite a noise you were making in your bedroom.
That's what monsters do. And they make a mess. And this monster's going somewhere where he can be a proper monster. I'm leaving.
Oh, well, I'll miss you, Zoo. Still, make sure you say your goodbyes to everyone before you go. After all, you can't leave home without saying your goodbyes.
No, I suppose not.
Hello, Zoo. How sweet of you to visit. Come on in.
So, Nana, I thought I'd better come and say goodbye.
Leaving home, eh? Oh, that's a very big step. I hope you'll take one or two things with you on your travels to remind you of us. Now, just hang on a tick while I find my lipstick. Ah! There, Zoo. To remind you of me wherever you might be.
Thanks, Nana. Phew.
Zoo! Goodbye, Zoo. You too, Pock.
Grandma,
Oh, hello, Zoo.
Mum says I make too much noise, so I'm leaving home. I've come to say goodbye.
Oh, well, I shall miss you, Sue. Still, if that's what you want. You'll need to take something with you to eat. We can't have you going hungry. How about helping me to make these choc chip cookies?
I really should get going. Well, I suppose I could stay for a bit.
Good. Pour in some of these chocolate chips and give the dough a good stir.
Phew! Nice catch, Grandma.
Yes. Now, have you said goodbye to your grandpa yet?
No, not yet.
Well, you mustn't forget to do that. Your grandpa's going to miss you. Lots, so will I. Pop along, and by the time you've said goodbye, these cookies might be ready.
Leaving home, eh? Well, the old place won't be the same without you, Zoo. Still, we'd better find a few things to take with you.
Like what? Watch out, Grandpa.
I'm making quite a lot of noise.
Not as much as I was.
Ah, here we are, my old rucksack. I've had this since I was about your age, Zoo.
Phew! It's a bit smelly.
Yes, I used to take it with me when I went fishing. My old compass. You're really going to need this.
Wow.
Now, this is north and this is south. So to get home, just follow the compass needle south. If you ever decide you want to come home, that is. Aha! My trusty torch. You'll need this for when it gets dark, so you can find somewhere to sleep.
Somewhere to sleep.
And talking of sleeping, ta-da! My trusty hammock. Perfect for a decent night's shut-eye. Or not, as the case may be.
There, a nice bag of choc chip cookies to take on your travels.
Yummy. Goodbye, Grandma. Bye, Grandpa. Bye, Mum. Bye, Dad.
Take care, Zoo. Look after yourself. Mwah.
We'll miss you, Bisou.
Yes, yes. Bye. Pork, which way shall we go? Yep, home is south, just like Grandpa said. Zoo? Oh, hi, Elzee. What are you doing? You know, just sort of deciding which way to go. Go where? I'm leaving home, so I'm just checking my compass. Leaving home? Do your mum and dad know? Yep. They said I was making too much noise. So I'm leaving. You haven't gone very far. Not yet. I was just going to have one of Grandma's cookies before I went. Want one? Yes, please. It's getting dark. You're not frightened, are you? Me? Of course not. I can't go home. My bedroom's still a mess. But you're not making much noise. No. I could help you tidy your bedroom. Well, I suppose so.
Bisou!
You're back.
Yes, And Sue's the mighty monster from the planet Garg. Roar!
Supper time!
Got to go. Thanks for having me.
I didn't know we had.
Zoo, I'm glad you decided to stay. Yes, so am I.
Ah, that was a lovely meal, thanks.
Zoo, what would you have had if you had left home?
Oh, some of Grandma's chocolate chip cookies. And rocks. Monsters love rocks for supper.